What if I told you that the missing key to your health, that extra burst of energy, sharper focus, and better sleep, was sitting right in front of you, but you've been completely overlooking it? 3 simple supplements, ones most people overlook, had the power to transform your health. And chances are, you're missing them too. Let's dive in, starting with number 3, Omega-3, the silent deficiency. Low levels of omega-3 may not cause obvious symptoms at first, but beneath the surface, they can quietly affect your brain, heart, joints, and even your mood. Most people, especially those who don't eat fatty fish regularly, are unknowingly deficient, and this silent gap can lead to increased inflammation, fatigue, brain fog, and slower recovery from exercise. Most people, especially in the US, when tested for omega-3 levels in their body, fell between 3 to 6%, which is considered suboptimal, not terrible, but not good either. The target should be above 8%, ideally closer to 10 or even 13, and the only people who have consistently hit those numbers are sardine fans. That's right, folks who eat sardines several times a week. But if you don't like to eat sardines every day, omega-3 supplements is the best way. But the catch, most omega-3 supplements on the market are poorly absorbed. That's why so many people complain about the fishy burps. It's not the taste, it's the form. Look for omega-3 in triglyceride form. It's more expensive, yes, but that's because it mimics the natural structure of fats in real food. It absorbs better, causes less GI upset, and actually gets into your cells. And one more tip. Always take omega-3 salt with a meal that contains fat. Even if it's not the ideal form, this helps your body absorb it. At number 2 is magnesium, the unsung hero. If you're dealing with muscle tension, poor sleep, or brain fog, magnesium could be your answer. Most people are deficient in magnesium, especially if you're not supplementing regularly. Magnesium is involved in everything: protein synthesis, muscle contractions, nerve conduction, blood glucose control, hormone function, blood pressure regulation, and heart function, etc. And if you fast every week, around the 48 to 60 hour mark, your body starts to flush water, which means you lose electrolytes, including magnesium. That's when you start to feel off, tired, crampy, maybe even irritable. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters like GABA and glutamate, which are essential for mood balance, learning, and focus. The tricky part is finding the right form of magnesium. There are so many. In particular, magnesium L-threonate stands out for its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and directly nourish brain cells, making it especially powerful for maintaining mental clarity and preventing cognitive decline. But it's pricey. Dosages are 1,500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams per day. This provides roughly 144 milligrams of elemental magnesium, the actual magnesium your body uses. You can split into 2 to 3 doses daily, usually morning and evening, or evening only for sleep support. It can be taken with or without food. And again, test it if you can, or just assume you're low and try it for 30 days. You'll feel the difference. And finally, at number 1 is vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it's a potent hormone that plays a pivotal role in regulating various bodily functions. Most people are deficient in vitamin D due to a combination of modern lifestyle, dietary gaps, and environmental factors. When you take vitamin D or produce it from sunlight, your body converts it into its active form, calcitriol. This active form then enters your cells and binds to a vitamin D receptor, which acts like a lock that only vitamin D can open. Further, it travels to the nucleus and tells your DNA what proteins to make. Those proteins are what give your brain its edge. They help your immune system, heart, and even your bones. In short, vitamin D is like a master conductor, guiding your cells to express the right genes at the right time. Without enough of it, these critical processes slow down or malfunction, which is why deficiency is linked to fatigue, low immunity, depression, weak bones, and even chronic diseases. The most common dosage used to correct mild to moderate deficiency is 1,000 to 4,000 IU per day. So there you have it, The top 3 supplements to form a powerful foundation for better health, energy, and performance. You don't have to take 1,000 pills a day. But you do need to know what's missing, and be honest with yourself about what your body needs.
If you find this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.